Hi, I'm Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today's tutorial features how to make this pot of gold for our spring background scenes. So let's get to it now. Hello and welcome. Let's get started creating our pot of gold. The first thing we'll do is go up to Insert, Shapes, and we're going to scroll down under the Basic Shape section and select the teardrop. Once we see that plus sign, we can just click and drag this out. And then at this time, I'm just going to use the circular arrow to bring that pointy part to the top. And then I'm just going to use this orange dot at the top and bring it in just a little bit. And then let's go up to Shape Format, and in the Shape Height box, we can enter 5.01, and in the Shape Width box, let's enter 5.08. Now we can come up to Shape Fill and select the black color, and then in the Shape Outline section, we can select black as well. And I'm just going to align in the line center. Next, let's create our rim for the pot of gold. So we'll go up to Insert, Shapes, and into the Basic Shape section. We'll scroll down to the third row, and second one over, we'll select the Circle Hollow. Once you see that plus sign, let's just click and drag this out horizontally. And then come up to Shape Format, and in the Shape Height box, let's enter 1.08. And in the Shape Width box, let's enter 4.08. Now let's go to Shape Fill. And in this first column with the white and gray colors, let's scroll all the way to the bottom and select this last gray color. And go into Shape Outline, and we'll outline in black. Now what we're going to do is just take the rim of the pot over, and let's bring it down right on top of the pot. And then we can come up to Align and Align Center. And we have a nice pot that we can group together now. So let's click on the rim and then press down on Shift and Control, and we'll click on the pot and then go up to Group and Group. Now for the best part, let's create our gold to put inside of the pot. Next, let's create our gold. So we'll go up to Insert, Shapes, and let's scroll all the way down into the flowchart section. And in this last row, we're going to select the flowchart magnetic disc. Once you select it, you'll see the plus sign. So let's just click and drag this out. Now let's go up to Shape Fill, and we're going to come over here into this nice yellow gold column, and we can select this really pretty gold color that's third from the bottom. And then also go into Shape Outline, and we can outline in black. Go back into Shape Outline, and let's scroll down to the weight. We'll make it a little bit thicker to give it a little definition. So maybe that 2 1/4 point thickness would be nice. And then at this time, we can just start to place the gold coins into the pot. So I'm just going to copy and paste and place these into the pot in a nice design. I hope you've enjoyed creating your own unique design. Once completed, it's easiest to just group everything together, although that might be the most challenging part. Just remember that as you're grouping things together, you can do it little by little. And one helpful thing I like to do is select what I'm working on and then go to send backward. And sometimes the things that are not grouped will pull forward, and then you can group them together. That's a little trick I've learned throughout doing these activities. So remember to, once you have everything grouped and it's one nice single image, you can go ahead and right click and save as a picture somewhere safe on your computer. And then of course, always keep your original so you can come in and make modifications as need be. I hope you've enjoyed creating this pot of gold with me today, and stick around. I'll be back very soon with another tutorial on how to create a clover and another one on how to make this rainbow so that we can put these on our spring background scenes as well. See you soon. Bye.